Just a quick thought on how the colors work in this piece. Here we see the start of a cake. We come across. Here's the end of the first cake. Start the next cake from the opposite side of the cake. So start one from the inside and then start the next one from the outside till we get to this cake. And then we do the same exercise. Start it from the other point in the cake. We start again like we did here. Work our cake from here to here. Change cakes right here. Start again from the other side of the other cake. And just keep working across, repeating that each time. On the other side, since this is a hand-dyed set of cakes, it's not a completely perfect match, but it's pretty close. And when you're wearing it, no one will notice. It is done side to side, so that as you're working, if you wanted to make this center portion wider, it's easy enough to do. And there are pattern notes to show you how that's done. I even, on this sample, if you're looking in a shop and you see this particular sample, I did leave some tails so you can see where the cakes stop and start. I just thought that might be good for educational purposes. So, hope you enjoy it. Good luck using up your sock yarn, and make something you can wear and not hide in the shoe. Take care.